Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the HomeLink on your Tesla. And I have an overhead door and it's a little bit tricky, so I wanted to kind of show you how to do it. And also I want a video to reference next time I have to do it myself. So the first thing you want to do is just go to your car menu and then go up to here where you see the garage door. So you just tap on that and then you go to settings right here, and it's going to come into your settings. Now we're just going to create a new one. Since I already have one set up here, I'm just going to create a new one, and I'm just going to put in YouTube. Alright, so YouTube, and then we are going to click Create HomeLink. Alright, now you have two choices, standard mode or D mode. I don't know what D mode is, but standard mode worked for me. So we're going to tap on set mode right here, and then we're just going to tap on start. Now the first thing we need to do is actually get out of the car, and we're going to be using our garage door opener that came with the garage door. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the front of the car and press this button, and then what that will do is it will learn the signal of this remote into the car. Alright, so when I do this, it's probably going to close the garage door behind me, so we're just going to hold it down, and what we want to do is look for the headlights flashing. There we go, so you see the headlights turned on. Now I am going to open the garage door back open because I will need to get in there to press the learn button. So it says recording complete, so we're going to tap on continue. Now what we need to do is put our garage door in training mode essentially, so we're going to go in and do that real quick. So this is how you do it on an overhead door. Alright, so this is the model that I have. So if we look up in here, I just need to press this button until it lights up blue, release, and the purple light will start blinking. Alright, so now we're going to go back to our car, and what you want to do is actually get the instructions on how to add a new remote. So I got the instructions right here, and it's a little bit tricky because you have to press the button twice. So what we're going to do is we're going to click continue, and you can see training complete. Move on to the next step, so we're going to click continue. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit back, and then we're going to click continue again. That gives us the ability to basically push the remote button twice. Now we're going to click continue again, and now we're going to tap on save. Alright, so now we can try our YouTube here. So all we have to do to try that is tap on this. Whoops. Let me close out of this first. Alright, so we're going to go up to our garage door, and we're going to tap on YouTube. It makes that green signal there. And it didn't work. So let's try that again. Yeah, so it didn't quite work that time. So if it doesn't work the first time, you just have to try again. All right, so the issue before is that the learn button here turned off before I finished pressing it twice inside the car. So if you have a little helper around, you can have that person press the button, and then they just want to let you know when the purple light goes out, because if the purple light goes out, then it's no longer going to learn, and it's not going to get the second command, and it's not going to work. That's what you need. So I'll just go and demonstrate how it works now. And since I was making the video, I was a little bit slower than I would have been otherwise. So now I can go up to my garage doors here, and you see YouTube. I can tap that, and it's going to close. And I can tap it again, it'll pause it, tap it again, and it will open. So you can see there, it works as designed. And hope that video helps you. That's a very complicated door opener because you have to do the steps twice. So you have to go back in the steps and then forward again to make it work.